Hi, it is me, your girl, Crystal with a C, and today we will be reviewing Milanote, an app that helps you to stay organized with visual boards and helps with project management as well. Okay? You can sign up for free, try it out, see how you like it, and then test it to see if it works for your business. So we're going to log in, and it comes and it will take you to where all your boards were created. So we'll look at a certain board that I created for myself. All right. So as you see here, I created my workflow. Whenever I work with a new project or a new service that I will be offering, I always like to map it out and show what it looks like from the client facing to back office facing. So I know how the flow will work. Okay. So first thing first, you will actually just come here and drag boxes along the way, which is called a note right up here. Grab a note here, a box here, which is called a note. And then you'll just write inside of that note. Okay, what I did to make mine a little bit easier to flow is I created a color-coded map, right? Anything that's in yellow requires an action. Anything in blue is a form. Anything in pink is money, generating activities. Green are choices they have to make, either yes or no. And black is when the project or form needs to be archived, okay? So I created this note board, which is like my flow chart, to show me what direction I need to go when it comes from having a lead in the beginning to actually selling a client on one of my services. So this is the workflow for one of my services. All right. So I created that. We're going to go back to home so I can show you a new board as well. Okay. So let's see. This is a VIP program that I created, and the same processes, okay? Promote my program on social media, I send announcements to my email list, and promote a speaking engagement, okay? You need email marketing, then here is my half off code if you need to actually create email marketing or email lists for subscribers, right? Okay. Then once they get into this workflow, this is like the email workflow. They get a total of 5 emails, one on day 1, day 3, day 5, day 10. This helps to show and visualize my team what the flow looks like. So when they're building out the system, when they're building out the emails, my expectations and what for they can visually see how I want it to flow. Okay. So whenever you have team management going on, you can do the same thing to make it just easier for you as well. And this is Milanote in a wrap up total project. I'm just want to show y'all other few things. Okay. Another way that I did it is a challenge that I had. And I put that, the notes of what happens with the challenge. Okay. I go live with the 3-day challenge, the questions, what to send them. Okay. What happens after that? Send that. Okay, this is all wrong, right? Create your group. So this is the right way. I showed an analysis of doing it the right way, and I showed an analysis of doing things the wrong way. For people can see the aspects of what is not safe for your business, what is actually a way to get people to not pay for the services that they want because you don't have reliable sources, versus one easy way, one easier flow, boom, bam, bam, and you make it on automation. So this is an automated version. This is a manual process, and it requires a whole lot more work. Same thing. This is a sales pipeline closeout workflow. Okay. So what happens after a workflow is created? This is for a client after all these days. So it helps you get a visual picture of a service that you're offering, especially if you're just new launching a program. This is a great tool to use for that. It's been a pleasure. Thank you.